Hello, this will be a quick demo of Waste Facilitation DAO, a prototype, a smart contract. I've created it in ID and published to GitHub, so you can find any information regarding source code or its algorithm in the repository. And right now I will show the happy path, how it works, using automative user interface. So let's start. First, I would like to mention that there are some roles in this DAO. First of all, there is a DAO owner, the main guy who is the main admin in DAO. Then there is a DAO member and working group member. And of course, there is a performer who applies to complete some tasks, some bounties. Okay, let's start. First, the DAO owner needs to set the list of members and the working group's members. Here is the DAO owner and he needs to add DAO member. Let's do it. I have an account of Alice, here she is. She will be a DAO member. Let's go. I just sign in using DAO owner account. Is it he? Yep, this one. This is DAO owner. He invokes a script to add an Alice. Yeah, it works. We can check it in Waves Explorer. By the way, that's an account of DAO. And in data list we see that here she is. That's an address of Alice. Okay, and we see that DAO size, amount of people in DAO, is equal to 1. Let's add Alice to working group as well. The same way, we just invoke another function of a script. And now Alice is in working group. She's everywhere. Yeah, working group size 1 as well. Okay, that's enough to test this DAO algorithm. We only have one DAO member, Alice, and Alice can propose tasks. Let's switch to her. Alice, where are you? Here it is. As a part of working group, she can propose tasks, some bounties. For example, she can say, hey, we need to create a Telegram bot for notifications. Alice can propose this task, like, hey, do we really need it? Approve. And this will be the new bounty, actually. After that, as you can see in the plan, another can add the description and reward amount, like log the reward amount. To do this, the new guy needs to know the task ID. Let's find it. Here it is. This is the task ID. Let's add some details. And log some amount of waves. For example, the reward will be 1 waves. Not so much, but enough to do a Telegram bot. Okay, let's add the task details. Approve. And now balance of DAO will be changed because some amount of waves are logged there. And that means that now we can start voting on if we really need this task. The idea is that all of the DAO members can vote like, hey, do we need Telegram bot or not? After that, the voting will be finished and some applicants will be able to start working on it. Let me show it. Let's vote. We have only one DAO member as for now, so this voting will be pretty easy. Where is it? Oh, okay. Vote for task proposal. Task ID, here it is. And my vote is 1. 1 is like I agree, -1 is I disagree. Let's invoke it. And now, when the vote is gone, we can finish task proposal voting. Important idea is that there is a quorum, 50%. Like the voting can be finished only if 50% of participants have already voted. As for now, the DAO size is only one person, so we already are more than quorum. We can finish the task voting. Let's do it. Okay. Now, if you find the status of this task, where is it? Status. Ready to apply. That means that external person can apply for completing this task to create a chatbot in Telegram. Let's do it. For this we need another person. Bob, where are you? Here she is. He is. And he can apply for a task. He can say, hey, I'm interested in creating this task, and the name of my team is Great Team. This is just a prototype. In future, of course, he can add additional details like experience or portfolio, but as for now, just team name and task ID. And he can apply to participate in this task. Okay, many people can apply for the same task, and after that, DAO team needs to vote for these applicants, to choose one. Let's do it. We need Alice for this as a DAO member again. But first, let's copy Bob address. Where is Alice? Alice is here. So, we need to vote for Great Team. 1, so like I agree. And task ID, we need task ID again. Here it is. Alice votes that Great Team has to have an opportunity to work on it. Like, I think that Great Team will be a great performer for this. Oops, the voting is gone, and again we have quorum. Quorum is already achieved, so we can finish the voting. Let's finish it. Boom. Okay, and now the status is team chosen. Okay, we can find the value of the working group. Here is the key of Bob, like he is the performer. Okay, after that, the next step, you can check it again, you can check it in GitHub, like steps. Performer needs to call a function start work. Okay, let's do it. Close all the notifications, too many. Choose Bob, where's Bob? Start work. He just says, okay, I finally approve that I'm starting the work. He approves, and that's it. Now the status is like work started. Yes, work started. Okay, after that, all the communication goes off-chain. Bob will talk directly to Alice, and they will work on completing the task, and Alice will be like consulting. And when everything is done and Alice understands that Bob did his job correctly, Alice, she can just say, hey, Bob completed the task. We can say that he can achieve the reward. Where is Alice? Okay, let's finish all of this process and accept the work result. Invoke. Hooray! And now the amount of waves in DAO account is changed again, and Bob received a payment. Yeah, sorry. Yep. 12 waves. He received 1 wave for completing the task, the chatbot, and Alice, she received the result off-chain and like said, yes, I got it inside of the DAO. So the next steps are Alice can add a new task. DAO owner can add new DAO members and working group members, and that works. I hope interface and other things will come soon. Stay tuned, follow this repo, Waste DAO smart contract. I will leave the link below.